Hello hackers. Here's a quick demo on deploying an application with Argonaut. Here I have an AWS account, a Google project, and a Google organization connected. I have also connected multiple GitHub and GitLab accounts. Once you've connected your cloud account, creating an environment is super simple. Under the hood, it creates or reuses a VPC which encapsulates all the resources that are going to be created in that environment. An Argonaut environment can have multiple resources created within it, such as Kubernetes clusters, managed databases, Redis, Kafka, and more. Resources created within an environment are guaranteed to work with each other and use Terraform under the hood to provision these resources. A pretty nifty feature is that the price estimate for the resource is shown upfront before creating the resource. Once we have a Kubernetes cluster created, setting up an app deployment pipeline for push to deploy from GitHub is very simple. It is as simple as selecting the repository and the branch you want to deploy from, and providing the path to the Docker file. You can add build time secrets from here as well. Deployment configurations are also super simple. They're very flexible with sane defaults. You can add environment variables from here and also secret files. Here, my app is serving on port 80 and at this particular location, and I want it exposed at this particular location. So all I need to do is create the pipeline to enable push to deploy from that particular GitHub repository and branch. Now I'm going to trigger the pipeline manually. This leverages your GitHub CI using dagger.io under the hood to build the image and push the image to the container registry, ECR in this case. Argonaut takes care of secret management and uses Argo CD under the hood for deployments to Kubernetes. Things like certificate management, cluster autoscaling, ingress management, etc. are automatically handled. Now the build is complete and the deployment is in progress. As the deployment progresses, you can see the pods that are running along with their logs directly from this location. The app is going to be running at this particular location once the deployment is complete. And there we go. It's simple to deploy applications and manage infrastructure using Argonaut within just a few minutes. Do check it out and let me know what you think.